So what if I tell you that I've visited the whole Indonesia in just one day?
Okay.
Yeah, today we're going to explore Taman apa?
Taman Mini Indonesia
Mini Indonesia. Okay, let's follow and then we're gonna explore together this beautiful place. As an African student really living here in Indonesia, I didn't really expect to experience the whole country in just one place. So until I come to this place, and this is us just coming using the car because this place is really very big. So we use the car to walk around, and here you have the beautiful houses of Sumatra, really unique construction. Later we will come back, and here we will just start with Aceh. I don't know if you heard about it. Tell me, at the end you will be really surprised what you will see here, because we started by Aceh and then we will go until Papua, so just wait. And these curves that you are seeing, you can use them to go up, and so that you have a beautiful view of the whole Taman, and here it's also entering in the house of in Aceh. What you need to know is, before it became one country as part of Indonesia, they were alone in the different country, different nation, but later they become one country with Indonesia. So this picture that we are seeing are different. These are the different leaders that have been succeeding each other before being part of Indonesia, but now they are one nation with Indonesia. So here we are walking around to see. As you can see from the other side, this is the map of Indonesia. If you use the cable car that you see the other side, you can see the whole map of Indonesia with all the different islands. So here, this is Kalimantan. I have been there. I don't know if you know about it. So this is Kalimantan Barat, because they have Kalimantan east, south, and north, and all. So this is the one from the west, Kalimantan. And the thing is, every province in this beautiful video you will see here will surprise you with something that is really unique, that you cannot see in another province, and that's what makes really this country really unique. And here we are entering the old man that we found. It was really very welcoming. He told us like we can enter inside to see what was inside, and also how their houses really look like in real life, like you are really living in Kalimantan. So let's go together and explore what is inside. Yeah, you need to of course to remove the shoes, and this what you can see here is like a place where they used to wash babies, and the other part and is like the living room. As you can see, these are the traditional instrument of Kalimantan. And my friend was really amazed also. They are still Indonesian, but this was their first time to enter inside this house, because they are people of Java, but they've never been to Kalimantan before, so it's like their first time also seeing this thing at the same time. So it's really something like a unique experience. Yeah, let's see. And they even have like the representation of their bed, like living room. This is like wedding, and the other part that you can see here is like where old people will take a rest or nap, but you cannot take a picture inside. It's really very exciting from the outside, but you cannot go and take a chair or just lay down there. And you see the bow inside this, like protection and everything. You see the bus passing there. You can just, if you are lazy, you can just use the bus sometime and just walk around. Even if you are not lazy here, I think you really need to take a car to turn around the whole place, because it's really very, very big. And here we have Kalimantan Timur. This is also part of Kalimantan, because Kalimantan is really wide. As I mentioned before, they have different type of Kalimantan: west, east, north, and then Barat. Okay, so this is the way of going to another province, because all the provinces they have and big cities have been represented here, from Bali, Maluku, Papua, and Sulawesi, Nusa Tenggara, everywhere. So this is Maluku. As you can see, this is like a soldier guarding the house. It's really unique. They have the unique color. Every province that you can see here, they have their own unique color. And what surprised me here is like it's really so clean, it's very very clean. As you can see the car cable up there, this like people who want to see the map from the top. And here we are coming at Sulawesi, and this place really surprised me a lot. Just let's see. Yeah, you see, like this, do like how they protected this place is like it's really show leadership and unity, and also strength at the same time. This is Sulawesi Utara, meaning North Sulawesi. They're really protecting their land very well. It's like during ancient time when they were the kingdom and everything. So if you don't have the chance to go to Sulawesi, you can just visit Taman Indonesia, mini Indonesia because it's really show you real life situation. And yeah, this is Sulawesi Tengah, meaning central Sulawesi. It's all in Sulawesi, but like not the different building, not the different even culture sometimes, because they have their own way of doing their construction. And now we are going to a place that really amazed me, and also which is Papua. Because as you know, or maybe you don't know, there is two Papua. The other Papua is like part of Indonesia, and there is also Papua New Guinea, which is a different country. So this is Papua, the one that from from Indonesia. As you can see, their houses here, and here I even use their traditional clothing. It was really something else, and the bow and everything. So here, just let's see how it is. Wow, it's really look like you are really in Papua right now. It's just amazing. Tell me which of these provinces really surprised you the most, or which one you like the most, the representation. This is Pavilion Papua. Yeah. So we're going inside. You will really be surprised from the inside. Yeah, and let's see together how it look like inside Papua house. Let's go inside. And today we took a picture. We took a picture with traditional cloth. Me and my friends Indonesian, we wore it, and it was really something. This is the picture that I had with the bow. You see how it look like inside the Papua house. It looks so real and just amazing. Look how it is. And the thing is, like, what I've noticed is every place that we went, the person guarding the place is like someone from the local city or province of that place. So he knows exactly the history and everything. He can explain it to you very well for you to understand it all. And this is just for children. Yeah, and we came to a place that I really admire a lot also. Nusa Tenggara Barat, I think. Yes, this, look how the buildings are, and the history of the person who is guarding this place really touched me, because he told me like he lost all his parents in like in the sea. Yeah, the how it is. And from that, during like they were traveling from one place to another place in their different island, and then from that he came here, and then he's gardening, he's married, and also all his family is working inside this place. So it's really touching, and look how the place is. It's really beautiful. It's also for him a way to remember about his family and also his origin. So this is Nusa Tenggara still Nusa Tenggara, but the other one is Barat and this one is Tengah Central. It's all different buildings but united people. Yeah, I know Nusa Tenggara Barat. This is also West Nusa Tenggara. And now we have Bali. Have you ever been to Bali, by the way? Yeah, this is my second time visiting Bali. I went there in Bali, but here also visited Bali. Look at how good the gate is. It looks so real. And the thing is, they even have their temple here inside, the place of worship. You know, the thing is, like every place that I have visited here, it looks so real that I'm traveling from one country even to another, not even the same country, or not even the same, like almost, it's not the same province, of course. Yeah, I don't know what you think about it, but for me this is really a great experience, and also, as I mentioned earlier, a great inspiration. You see, this is the temple. This place is all like both important for local and foreign people, because like for local people also, like they told me, the student like from high school, primary school, they come here to learn about Indonesia because they don't have the opportunity to travel all around, but this place give them a unique opportunity to learn about the culture and the history of their country. So it's really something really wonderful. That's I really admire about this place, because it's not only about foreigners but also about the local people, to help them know about their country. Yeah, from here we will go outside to see Java Timor, the place where I am living in Java Timor. Because you know, Java, they have different Java. They have Central Java, West Java, and also East Java, and here it is East Java. So the other part that I'm showing you right now is a museum, but we did not go there because of lack of time, you know. So yeah, this is Java Timor, where I am living in Malang. You will see in Central Java also, you will see Jogja, and even the temple, Borobudur temple, is inside this place. As you can see, this is also people from Java. Like every province that we see, every place that we've been, we have visited, like is their local people that are there, the one that will welcome you and also tell you the story and how it is, everything. It's really great. And this picture that we are seeing here are tourist place that you can visit when you are in Java. It's really very informative and really insightful actually. So yeah, so after East Java, we go to Central Java, and exactly to daerah Yogyakarta. Look at how it is. If you have not been there, this is your chance to visit Jawa Tengah. And apart from seeing just Jawa Tengah, you will have the opportunity to see the temple, Borobudur temple, and also Candi Prambanan. It's like they look so real. Look at This is the temple Borobudur. Look at how it is, big and freaking real. If you don't have the opportunity to visit all of Indonesia, this is your best chance to do so. It is in Jakarta, Timur, East Jakarta. You can have the whole day, and the ticket I think is just 25,000. This is Jawa Tengah. Yeah, just look around. And this is the place where the lake is, the giant lake that describe all of Indonesian island, and also like the map. When you use the cable car from top, you can have a beautiful view of the whole country. It looks so real, and you will really have a great experience. So this was passing by Jawa Timur as well. And during the night, if you come here during the night, you will have very beautiful experience, because there will be lightning and the city light, and people used to sit here so that they experience that. I hope you really enjoy. Tell me which part of this place really inspire you the most, or which surprise you the most, and also which one you like less or most. Tell me, and from where you are watching as well. And at the end, as you can see, we have an experience of this bazaar outside where they were dancing. I just took a short video of it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching until here. See you in the next video.